Hey Cassandra, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I am shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started. So the three things we're going to be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I did get the link to your website from your Facebook page. And when it comes to content, that's really what we would be talking about, is a website rather than a Facebook page. So content would be considered anything that you can see here on your site. That does also include the pictures and what the pictures are saved as well. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a homepage. So from what I can see, it looks like you all are probably right at that 1,500 words, which is great. So my only suggestion here would be to add in some keywords and key phrases into your content on your homepage. And you would want to make those things that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. But that's my only tip there. Next up is going to be citations. And I did pull up a search here for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, which I know you have, which is great, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that allows business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition, is being listed within those directories and grab those listings for yourself. But you also wouldn't just want to stop there. So if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you would want to, double, triple, quadruple that. So you would want to have, 20, 30, 40, even 50. That's going to make it to where you're completely dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here. So next up is backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section down here underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop. And they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that, number one, that is the correct industry for you. And number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique and a lot more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I pulled up one of the tools that I use here and put your site into it. It's not really showing a lot of data for you at this time, but just so I can give you a visual representation of what I'm speaking about, I did pull up one of the top competitors here as well. And it's showing they have 31 referring domains, which is giving them 420 backlinks, getting them found for 294 keywords, and that's driving 426 people to their site roughly per month. And let me see if we can see what kind of keywords they're using here. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That would be anything that someone's going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. We'll also pay attention to this column here. This number represents how many times this phrase is being searched for monthly. And this is actually a perfect example of a buyer intent keyword. So Raleigh Cleaning Services. It lists the location that this company is trying to target, and then it also lists the actual industry or service. Also, Maid Service Raleigh NC, House Cleaning Raleigh NC, Raleigh Maid Service. So you can use different variations of kind of the same phrase or word, and it will count as a whole new keyword for you as well. And I will not bore you and have us go through all of these because there are a lot of them, but I hope that at least kind of gives an idea of the types of things that I'm referencing when I'm talking about keywords. And these are also the kind of things that you would want to integrate into the content on your website. That is definitely going to help you get ranked on Google. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are, but then just adding on to that. You just don't ever want to stop at what your competition is doing. We always want to far surpass them. That is what will get you on that first spot in Google, and it will also make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you. But that's really all that I have for you today, Cassandra. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you would like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thanks again for your time, and you have a great rest of your day.